Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's not a makeup tutorial. I'm going to be swatching all of my n.y.x. um, lip products, I guess? Yeah, lip products. So if you want to see them, then just keep watching. This is a disclaimer. I by no means have a lot, and I'm not trying to show them off. I'm not trying to say, look at all the stuff that I have. I just think the colors are really pretty, and I thought if you're looking for a new lip color, you could watch this video and you might have some inspiration. And n.y.x. is a great affordable brand that you can find at the drugstore. Pretty sure Ulta is the only place that carries them, but I could, no, Fred Meyer. Ulta and Fred Meyer carry them, so you can find them there. So the first one is the n.y.x. matte liquid, the n.y.x. matte lipstick in the shade Girl Crush. Not long lasting, but not terrible either. So it's super pigmented, as you can see. It's a really nice bright fuchsia shade, and I really enjoy it. I don't really wear colors like this, but if I did, this is the one I would wear. And I really want to get some more of their lipsticks. I just don't wear lipstick a lot. The next one that I have is their Butter Gloss, and this is Fortune Cookie. This is just your basic gloss. A bit of a tint to it. Obviously it's a gloss, so it's gonna have a shine. But yeah, it's a really good gloss. The next one is their Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade San Paulo. That's the shade right there. It's super gorgeous. And their Soft Matte Lip Cream formula is probably my favorite. The next one is the one that I'm wearing on my lips right now, and this is Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Stockholm. And there's Stockholm. It's a really gorgeous nude. I really love it. Now moving on to their Liquid Suede. This is their Liquid Suede in the shade Soft Spoken. I really love this color. It's a really nice nude brown color, but it's got like, it's so gorgeous. The Liquid Suede formula dries down really nicely, and it's definitely a lot liquidier of a formula. Like, if you can see, it's really shiny right now. But that shade, it's so beautiful. The next one is the Liquid Suede, but it is the Metallic Matte, and this is in the shade Bella. And this was in my Ulta haul. If you watched that video, I will link it in the description box if you want to go check it out. I'm going to put my flashlight on this so you can see the realness. Look at that. Look at that glitter. The next category that I have is the Lip Lingerie, and this is in the shade Lace Detail. These ones are said to be dupes for the Kat Von D liquid lipsticks, and I think they are a really great, like, definitely having tried the Kat Von D, I don't own any, but having tried it, it feels like a very similar formula. However, I love these, and they're a fraction of the cost. There it is right there. The next one is the same line, and it is in the shade Corset. I love this one just because it's kind of like an off nude. You know, like you don't see someone wearing this nude on the daily. The last one that I have, I know I only have 9, that's what I was saying, not too many, and this is in the shade Exotic from the same line. This one is kind of a nice red. It's not kind of, it is. I don't know how to describe it. It's like, it's not brick, and it's not berry. It's just like a deep, like a red that's filled with a lot of character, is what comes to mind when I think of it. I just think it's really gorgeous, really rich, and it gives you a way to wear red without it having to be bright and really bright or really dark. It's just a more wearable red. Alright guys, that completes today's video. I hope you liked this kind of style video. I am going to be doing a video on my ColourPop collection, which I can guarantee you is at least 3 times bigger than this, so don't worry, it's not going to be small. But again, this is just for fun and just for you to get to see what I have and what the colors are. In case you're looking for something like this, that's really what this video is about. It's not about me trying to, oh, look at the stuff that I have. That's not what it's about. So I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.